Today I am going to show you how to use a push button with Arduino. So for this project we will need the following items. Number one is an Arduino board and then a breadboard. We will also need a push button, a 220 ohm resistance and some wires. As you can see that this push button is a piece of rectangle with two pairs of pins, and now we will attach this push button with the breadboard. Okay, so now we will connect this pin with Arduino's 5-volt pin. Then we will take this resistance and connect this in the breadboard in this manner, and the another leg will be attached in this part of the breadboard. Now as we can see that there are two outputs, and this output will be the data output, which will be attached in Arduino's pin number 8, and this part will be used as the ground pin, and this will be the circuit for our project. So let us discuss about the code for our project. We have used an integer in1 which will declare our push button, and our push button is attached in digital pin 8. We have initialized our push button as an input. We will start the serial monitor. Another integer that we have used is input, and this will store the value of in1, and then the values of the input will be displayed in our serial monitor after every 1 second, and that's why we have used a delay of 1 second. So now let us upload our code. So now we will see the output. When we will press the push button, we will get 1 as our output in the serial monitor. So let us see. When I press this button, we will see that as I press the button, we will see 1 which is displayed in the serial monitor, and this proves that our project is working fine, and hence we can use push button as an input medium for our different projects.